Yeah, this is my first time having it. I'm making a video. Marshmallows, nice.
It looks like it's gonna be a nice one.
Is this from like a different country? This
From Thailand.
from where?
Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah.
Oh wow. It's called Twisted Creamery.
Twisted Creamery.
Thailand's where the idea of Fernando ice cream came from, and now it's just spread around the world.
Oh nice.
Can you do a day though?
A lot. As many as you need to do. Wendy. Caramel or strawberry sauce? Caramel? Okay.
Would you like any chocolate? Oh no, we actually don't have chocolate sauce. We have caramel or whipped cream.
Caramel, please.
Hello. It's a good workout, huh?
Oh yeah.
Your best seller. You don't get tired?
No marshmallows on top?
Marshmallows in it.
Oh, there's marshmallows in it. Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet. Thank you, buddy.
There you go, man. Cheers.
Thanks. Cheers.